Good morning from Tillamook, Oregon, and well, I would say that considering the size of this town, this is probably the biggest employer. This is Tillamook Cheese, and it's right on Highway 101. I'm on my way down to Newport, and I'm going to stop here at the Tillamook Creamery. Beautiful building. Now I don't imagine that I'm going to do a tour for the sake of time, but we will go inside regardless and just kind of see what's inside. The parking lot is fairly full, and maybe they've got some nice deals on some cheese. So we'll go inside and take a look. Well, here would be the entrance, and look at that beautiful, I don't know, is that a painting up there on the above the door? So, well, I see a couple walking out with a big thing of ice cream, creamy ice cream, find your favorite. So in addition to cheese, they've got ice cream. So let's go inside. Come join the Tillamook team. Tillamook.com/careers. Let's see what they've got going here. Zoom out a little bit. They've got a nice timeline. When did your family first discover Tillamook? 1854, the Morning Star. Tillamook's farmers have butter and milk to sell, but hauling it over rough mountain roads takes so long it would spoil. The fastest route to Portland is by water, so they built Oregon's first official ship. Look at this. Cheese King of the Toast. Cheese King of the Coast. 1851 is when the first settlers arrived in the Tillamook Valley. I'm not going to do the whole timeline here with you, but you can see the cheese girls. I think the gal on the left was Skip Smith's first girlfriend back in 1916. She probably left Skip to come out here to Oregon from Indiana back in the day. Look at all this stuff. Wow. 1960. Patty Blazer helps her dad unload their milk cans at the creamery. Farmers brought their milk here in cans and loaded them onto the conveyor. The kids had fun playing with the cans. Very interesting. This new visitor center that we're in opened up in 2018. Very interesting place. I got a little bit of everything. Looks like they've got a deli here. A deli or yeah, I guess this would be the whole thing. Order yourself a nice burger. Very nice. A lot of people working here. You would imagine that this place must get really busy. And over here, look at all this. Get yourself some ice cream. Oregon strawberry, peaches and cream, Tillamook mudslide, butter pecan. That was my dad's butter pecan. Look at this seating area over here. Wow. It's only about 10 o'clock in the morning. I'm not going to have ice cream. I'll have my ice cream in the evening, sitting by the fire. Speaking of which, we are creatures of habit. I have this weird habit where I like to have a healthy choice fudgicle bar from Costco, 100 calories, and I have it every night. I have it every night at, there they are. There, you're okay. They're going to be on Tom TV. Yeah. Honk the horn. Oh, okay. All right, so I don't want to step in front of their... There, they got it. All right. So over here they've got the... Over here they have the market. But back to the ice cream. Every night I have ice cream with Lester Holt and the NBC Evening News. I always finish the ice cream before the news finishes, which is okay. Look at this. Oh boy, they've got a little bit of... That looks good. Jalapeno honey. Oh boy, look at that. Cream cheese spread, jalapeno honey. That looks really good. A lot of people here this morning. Just walking about, checking things out. Yeah. Penelope would have really liked this place. Oh, look at all the ice cream. See? You can take some home with you. That might not be a bad idea. To take some ice cream home. Wow. Quite an impressive cluster. I'm just looking for the samples. I'm just here for the samples. But I don't see any. And then over here you can get yourself an apron or a cookbook. Look at that, the mac and cheese cookbook. There you go. Baked mac and cheese with breadcrumbs, breakfast mac. Very nice. I would imagine somewhere you can go in and get the and get a tour. So, all right, folks. So on with the trip, and maybe I'll go find some cheese for the road. Well, I spoke too soon. I mean, how could a place like this not have samples, right? So I asked the gentleman, oh my goodness, there's an entire upstairs here, and they have a self-guided factory tour. Look at that. Farmer owned and farmer led. Wow. Very nice. Our story starts on the farm. Farmers keep their cows healthy and comfortable, and the cows provide us with high quality milk. Wow. What a nice little tour this is. Diet of champions. High quality feed makes high quality milk. Corn. Look at all that. Oh, what a nice place. Time to milk. I'd imagine that if you were to go to YouTube and type Tom Hall Mackum, M-A-K-K-U-M, or Tom Hall Friesland, F-R-I-E-S-L-A-N-D, you'd see me milking a cow or two with Auke on the farm in the Netherlands. So here is the, look at this. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that something? Wait a minute. Did that woman just pick her nose? Did that woman? I think she did. I think that woman picked her nose. Huh? I'm gonna go grab quality control. Okay? No, I'm just teasing. She didn't pick her nose. Look at all this. Wow. Cooking bats. Quite an operation. Boy. I'm still looking for the samples though. This is a nice tour. I'm sure the way they have this set up saves them from walking people through the, well, probably for sanitation they can't. This is the Salter. Right there, inside the Salter. Very cool. Very, very cool. It's these guys are doing vacuum sealing right here.
Yeah, those are 40 pounds. That's a lot.
42 pounds. That scale is showing right there. Very cool. Got a nice little movie. There you go. Alright. Let's go see if we can't find the go find the samples. I found my way over to this other section and it's rather quite interesting. Look at this, you can actually see it going on there. They're cutting this cheese right there into the blocks, you can see it. Look at that. Then it comes through, and they were just saying that each of these blocks is weighed, and if it is underweight, then they add a little bit of cheese. Look at that. Very cool. Alright, let's find the samples. Alright, I don't know what this is. Did you know? Oh, it's a little interactive thing there. We produce enough yogurt to fill 6 Olympic-sized swimming pools every year. Wow. See? Okay. So here come the samples. Take a bite and enjoy. Oh yeah. Look at this. Hello. How are you? Medium cheddar. Oh yeah. Whole milk mozzarella. Oh, and sharp white cheddar. Boy, those are good. Okay, now I'm gonna. Which one should I try? I'll try the mozzarella. All right, folks. That'll be it. All right. Have a great day.